Hey, Dr. Melody Rodarte, if you can unmute, we have another treat from Arizona. Dr. Melody has been voted top doc year after year after year. I don't even know how many years, many years. So all of you in Arizona, I tell you, you've got the best grouping of people. She's a double board certified internist and obesity medicine specialist in Arizona. She was named, like I said, top doc. And she also obtained her doctor of osteopathic medicine from Midwestern University in 2002. She's also certified in hyperbaric medicine, wound care, and medical aesthetics, as well as bioidentical hormone replacement. She loves personalized medicine. Are we so grateful and just so blessed to have doctors here that care about the whole body, right? And she wants to work directly with each individual person. That's why they're here tonight, you guys, because they care about each and every one of you and literally the world out there. So they are serving and doing. She's been married to her incredible husband, Tony, for 25 years, and they have 20-year-old twins. So cool. They love to travel the world and serve in the community. And LifeVantage helped retire her incredible husband in 2018 after 20 years of law enforcement. And he also started a nonprofit organization. And then she opened up her own practice where she can do all this great stuff in 2019. So such a powerful woman that we have here as well. So welcome, Dr. Melody. Please share with us your thoughts on this powerful study. If everybody should be continuing to take it, starting to take it, and what did you see from, taking the products and then suddenly collagen pops in and bam, what do we see with yourself, with your family, with patients, etc.? Please.
Well, thank you so much for including me last. And it's like, what else to say, right? You guys got to hear from incredible people, and I love this group. It's such an honor to be a part of the scientific advisory board. People come in your life and it's for a purpose and a reason. And that's really what I want to share here is I'm so thankful that my colleague wanted me to know about this because he had no clue what was going on in my family at the time. And stories are what connect people. And it has brought us forward to doing so many good things in other people's lives. If we sat here and went through the 500 people on this Zoom, everybody has been touched by these products, and we want to share. We want to continue sharing with people because when you know something good, you can't keep it under wraps, and that's how I feel about this. And it was very hard. I'm so thankful that I have my own practice because when I could not do this in my practice, I felt like it was almost malpractice that I couldn't tell people about this because the cells need health. And we have products to provide that. And I wouldn't have looked at this without the science. And so you've gotten to hear from so many of us, so many people on here talking about that there are studies that you can go and look at. And this last one, like Dr. Sveta knocked it out of the park talking about you can't fudge a computer. Like you literally can look at all of this. And I will tell you, a year ago, sitting on one of our SAB meetings, and some of this stuff is coming up, and we're seeing, not even a year ago, I had done a lecture, Sveta had done a lecture. We talked so much about how do we help our post-COVID patients. And when Christina, Dr. Beer, threw up some of these genes, it was like, I wanted to get up out of my seat and start doing back flips if I could, because it was putting 2 and 2 together. And so you guys have that now. You can go into your back office. Anybody on here who hasn't seen the study, just go on to lifevantage.com, click on the image that has the Nrf2 and the collagen together, and then scroll down. The study is there. And so you can look at all of the genes that were upregulated, downregulated. And that's why all of us are so excited. It was like a Christmas present when they handed us this. It was the best Christmas present ever and them telling us to keep it under wraps and not talk about it until the study was done and the patent was released. I mean, that was very hard to do. And that's where our excitement is because we got to see that and we understood the reason behind why so many people were having the results they were having. that we just want to continue sharing and seeing. And I'll tell you, for me, it's always like, let's put this on. I want you to take pictures. I want you to keep a symptom log and let's go. Let's see what's going to happen, because it's there. It's that incredible. And so I'll just get real sciencey for 2 seconds. Those of you who know about cytokines, that's what you want to see, is the reduction. Those of you who know about IL-6, those of you who know about NF-kappa B, those are the things that I want you to go to the study and look at, because those of you who understand that are going to have a higher, or like, it's going to hit you like a ton of bricks. The rest of you, all you have to know is fibroblasts are good. And when they function better, that's even better. And that's the simplest part of it. We need healthy cells. And that's what we're promoting, is cellular health. That you can't buy, you can't take a medication for. You just can't.